Hey everyone, let's take a look at a new project that I'm working on. It is a tactical or strategy role-playing game. My main inspiration is Fire Emblem, and so a lot of the mechanics are similar, as well as the some of the aesthetic sensibilities. I am just getting over a cold, so my throat and my voice is kind of messed up. So I'm going to keep talking to a minimum. I really just kind of want to show off the current game state and the battle loop, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to turn on the audio and I'll mute my mic for now. I'll just play for a little bit, then I'll come back. All right, so that is as far as I got in the state of the game. Behind the scenes, I do have items and inventory set up, but we're not really using it right now. But I want to get the weapons triangle system into the game, and that way that'll make the battles more dynamic. And then of course I need to do things like um, leveling up, stat increases, things like that. So yeah, if you have any ideas for the game or any feedback, that's always welcome. You're also free to share how your games are going. If you're working on any projects. And as always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content. I'll talk to you next time.